Today is March the 23rd. We're looking at the 87 Jeep Grand Wagoneer we just got through finishing up. Showing the whole sides on this car. See how straight? We did a new paint job on it. Put new wood grain on it. It's a beautiful white car. It's been well taken care of. Today is a very cold day. Temperature is 23 degrees. We're going to walk around here. Open up our doors. You can see the inside of this car. Interior is in extremely good shape and it's all original. Now we're going to start it up. Hear how quiet that car runs? Now, we're going to go around to the front. Open up the hood. Had a lot of mechanical work done to it, and this car runs extremely good. See the new hood installation in it. Also too, we put a new muffler on it. Hear how quiet this is now. A lot quieter than it was before with the old glass packs on it. Now with that hood insulation, you can really tell how quiet this car is. We're going to turn on the heater. We had to put a new fan motor in a new squirrel cage. It made a chirping noise. Now it's quiet. Let me look at the interior in it. Now we're going to open up the windows. Show that they work. works from the inside, but it also works from the outside, and I'll show that here in just a moment. Opening up the doors so you can see how clean and nice and straight this is. Get a good look of the interior in the back. Now I'm going to turn it off. We're going to go around to the back. We're going to open up the back window from the outside. Show it works. We put new wood grain on this, and this one's got the factory spoiler on it too, or air dam as some people call them. You can see this car, the interior in it's just beautiful, but it's been well taken care of. We're going to go to the armrest. We had to straighten the armrest on it. It was bent. Somebody had sat on it at one time, and you can see that it's level exactly the way that it was supposed to be. And it works and operates exactly the way that it's supposed to. The wheels we polished up a good little bit and everything, as good as we could. Also too, the drip rails on it and everything, we used aluminum tape on it because you cannot buy these anymore, to make it shine better and look better and more original. I'm going to come back over here to this side and let you see it. That's the way that we do it and everything. It's a lot better than trying to spray it, because the spraying does not look like it normally should. I'm going to start it up again. See, all the gauges are working. You can see it just starts right up. close the door and try to get back here to where you can see it just a little bit better. See the whole car. We'll walk around it. This car had a very good straight body on it, so the paint job on it just really sets this off. Get here to where you can look at it one more good time from the sides. This is a very beautiful automobile. Thank you.